What are two types of reciprocating engine exhaust systems? Short stack and collector system. What are the possible hazards of exhaust system failures? Carbon monoxide poisoning, partial or complete loss of engine power, and an aircraft fire. What type of exhaust system is generally used on low-powered, non-supercharged engines? Short stack system. What type of exhaust system is used on turbocharged engines? Exhaust collector. What type of exhaust system creates a higher exhaust back pressure? The collector system. What happens when lead, zinc, or galvanized marks are made on an exhaust system? Mark is absorbed by the metal and weakens the metal. What type of visual indication can usually be seen in the area of an exhaust leak? Leaves flat gray or sooty black carbon streaks. How are ceramic-coated exhaust stacks cleaned? Degreasing method only. What is the usual cause of muffler and heat exchanger failures? Concentrated areas of thermal stress or vibration stress. What is the most common form of damage in exhaust systems?
Cracks.
What should be the position of the wastegate when starting an engine? Fully open. Where are exhaust manifold and stack failures most likely to occur? Welds, flanges, or clamped points. What is a common cause of the wastegate unit malfunctioning in a turbocharger system? Carbon buildup, coke buildup, valve stuck in closed position. Why do you disassemble and inspect the collector type exhaust? Carbon monoxide poisoning of crew and passengers. What is the purpose of the wastegate on a turbocharged exhaust? Controls the amount of exhaust gases forced through the turbocharger turbine. What factors are affected if the area of the exhaust nozzle of a turbine engine is changed? Engine performance and EGT. Why are thrust reversers not normally used during ground operations? Danger of FOD blowing up into the intake stream is too great. What are the probes in a turbine engine exhaust pipe used for? EGT and pressure. Name two types of thrust reversers. Mechanical and aerodynamic, blockage type.